How to add profile picture on Discord mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add profile picture on Discord mobile. Now to do so is quite simple and quite easy. First open up the Discord app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now what you want to do is tap on the little emoji icon that you can find at the bottom right corner of your screen. You can see a little emoji icon, tap on it, and then here what you want to do is tap on your profile picture that you can see. Simply tap on it, and here you'll be able to edit your profile by simply tapping on the pencil icon that you can see along with the profile. You can similarly add cover by tapping on pencil icon that you can see with the cover. Now for here what you want to do is tap on your profile pencil icon here, and then you can see the option avatar, upload avatar. Now simply tap on upload avatar and allow access to your device, and then what you can do is head into gallery, and here you can select any picture you want and then simply frame it, and then you can tap on the tick mark and you can see the profile picture has been added. So this way you can add profile picture. Now simply tap on save and it will be added. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.